morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine. Children, do you know where we all live? Yes, this is our world, planet Earth, home to millions of species, including human beings. Planet Earth is the only place in the whole universe where life exists. So, today we'll travel to planet Earth and learn some interesting facts about our planet. So let's get started.
Hello Earthlings! I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about planet Earth. Do you want to join me? So hold on tight. Here we go to planet Earth.
The Earth is different from other planets. It is the third planet in our solar system and it is the only planet where life exists. The Earth rotates around the Sun and takes 365 days to complete full orbit. It is called revolution, due to which we have different seasons all through the year. The Earth rotation is responsible for the change between day and night and also for the rising and falling of the temperature on planet Earth. Every day, the Earth makes one full rotation. That means when the sun is shining on one part of the Earth, it is night somewhere else.
Dear children, we are going to take a deeper look at planet Earth.
Do you know the Earth has multiple layers? They are inner core, outer core, mantle, crust and lithosphere. The crust. This is the outermost cool layer of the Earth which supports life and it is made up of rocks and minerals. The crust has landforms such as plains, plateaus, deserts and mountains. The liquid water exists on this layer is in the form of ocean, sea, rivers, lakes and ponds. The oceans and seas are the biggest body of salt water. Melting snow and rain flow down high hills and mountains to form rivers, which is fresh water. A lake is a large body of standing water, which is fresh, and pond is a smaller body of fresh water. Forests are areas where many trees grow very close to each other, and it is a home to different species of birds and animals. The Earth has air, which is essential for survival of life. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases called atmosphere. It has four layers, that is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. The atmosphere also contains life-supporting gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, argon and carbon dioxide. The ozone layer in the atmosphere protects our Earth from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. The sun's more dangerous radiation is absorbed by Earth's upper atmosphere. It also helps to keep the temperature of the Earth steady. Do you know, children? Earth's atmosphere is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% of other gases. Did you know, children? 96.5% of Earth water is ocean, which is salt water, not fit for drinking. Only 2.5% is fresh water. So children, please save water.
So my dear friends, we are lucky to be living on planet Earth. The presence of sunlight, air and water help us to survive on Earth.
Earth, a planet full of life. That is why it is important for us to protect and take care of the environment.
Oh my dear children and my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session of learning some interesting facts about planet Earth, that is me, home to millions of species including human beings. Protecting the Earth is all about protecting us all. See you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.